to show you what luxury experience looks like at India's most biggest township at Manaha by Shapoorji Pallonji. Come follow me. Hi, this is Ria, your trusted real estate advisor, and today we are here at Manaha, Baldhan, Pune, where nature seamlessly blends with urban experience. It's an expansive 1,000-acre landscape that offers exceptional living experience. Let's explore. Let me show you how the 1,000 acres landscape look like. So this is the landscape that I was talking about. Let's explore it.
I mean, just look at this stunning view all around with greenery everywhere. Baldhan is emerging as one of Pune's most sought after residential homes. Strategically nestled between tranquil hills and city comfort. It's just a short drive away from prominent IT hubs like Hinjawadi, Balliad and Badibet, simplifying your daily. Popular retail destinations such as Baner and Kothur are also easy hits.
So today we are here at the 3 BHK sample apartment of our 5th phase. So we have successfully completed our first 4 phases and sold out 2,000 plus apartments. So to tell you in more detail about this property has 3 variants: 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 2 plus 2, that is 4 BHK. So the 2 BHK is 868 square feet which costs you 1.05 CR, and 3 BHK 1178 square feet which costs you 1.50 CR. Imagine waking up to this view every single day. This is something that I just can't resist. Isn't this view completely splendid? Surrounded by Sahyadris all over 360 degrees. It feels like weekend over here every single day. Where the air index in Pune is 200, here you will find it 100. Where the temperatures in the city might be 40 degrees, but over here you will find it less, maybe 36 degrees. Now let me show you the miniature of this property. It's an ITA approved township, which means a city inside the city. Now this project has the India's second largest golf course, which is surrounded by 150 acres of land. And the blue markings are for commercial properties, the yellow markings are for residential areas, the light pink markings are for hospitals and education sector. The dark pink markings are for amenities. The brown markings are for public utilities. The entire project itself has a school, playground, fire station, fuel station, police station, commercial complexes. Now, let me explain you about the connectivity. So, Manaha has measured 3 connectivities across the property. Starting from Chandni Chowk, it's situated 6 kilometers from Chandni Chowk. That's Chalaram Hospital. So, you take a left from Chalaram Hospital, you can see a helmet over here, and we have a sales office over here. And the second connectivity is from Bhuga. And the third connectivity comes from Hinjawadi. Of course, Hinjawadi is known for its major IT hub. We have Flame University, we have Symbiosis University, then we have Ryan International School and other hospitals and colleges. Now, if you see here below, we have 700 acres NDA forts, which means a complete green zone for your property. That means no construction across. So, what do you think about this connectivity? Let me know about it. When we talk about Shapoorji Pallonji, we're just not talking about a brand. We're talking about a legacy that we had way back in 1887. Over the decades, we have worked far beyond this real estate. We have built India's tallest high-rise in the heart of Mumbai, brought from the majestic pass in the Sotner in Abu Dhabi, and engineered major constructions like the Chenab Bridge and the Atal Tunnel, with strong presence in 8 major cities of India, right from Mumbai to Kolkata. We have gained trust across the nation. And till date, we have constructed over 150 million square feet of commercial residences and over 16 million square feet of residential spaces. Let me tell you a bit more about amenities. The amenities are genuinely exceptional and thoughtfully planned across 3 levels: ground, podium, and rooftop. Residents can enjoy relaxing zones, a magnificent infinity pool, perfect for you. Lush green spaces and striking rooftop views, creating an ideal balance of relaxation and activity. All the facilities, one roof itself. So, what are you thinking of? Did you like the tour? We have limited units available, so book your token today, which costs you 90,000 rupees, which is completely refundable. So please contact us on the numbers mentioned on the screen. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, or you can even drop us an email. We have a free pickup and drop service available across all Pune. And if you're staying anywhere abroad, so we have a specialist assigned specially for you who will show you a 360-degree tour of the apartment virtually. So don't miss out on the opportunity and book your token today.